Yay!
Did it. Oh, man. Shit.
That wasn't me.
Oh, check this out. Get that butterfly. Holy shit. Don't make it go away. Let me take a picture.
Shit.
Wait, you thought I was joking?
I did.
Move, I got a shadow.
That's a moth. It's a butterfly.
That ain't a moth.
It's a butter moth.
That's a fucking crazy moth. No,
Ah!
touch it. No,
Oh,
don't
it's
touch
dead.
It. It might
No,
be
it's not dead.
It's not dead.
It
It's
has a
not.
bug on it.
It might be poisonous.
It's fine.
Oh.
Oh shit!
Whoa.
Don't fuck with that thing. I wouldn't fuck with it. It's got crazy colors.
Whoa! That's fucking awesome.
Backflips too.
It's having a seizure.
Are you videotaping this?
If I die, you know what
Are
happens.
you videotaping?
Oh shit! No.
Oh, it is dying. That's horrible.
Aw.
It doesn't even have antennas.
Give it mouth to mouth.
That's why. No, don't do that.
Yeah, see? It's not cool. It's not fine.
It's not
It
cool.
might be like a fucking pancake. A pancake.
A pancake.
It's a pancake moth.
Oh, now it wants to. Now it's getting its wings.
It just does this.
It just...
Are you videoing this? I hope you're videoing this.
There's another bug on it. You know,
Maybe that's what's holding it down.
Fuck. It doesn't have legs.
What the fuck does it do? How does it get around?
It just flops around.
That sucks. Something ate it. Something ate its legs off.
Butterfly.
No, something ate its
Are you
legs off.
sure that's
Dude,
not-
how is it staying on the
Yeah, but
floor?
it shouldn't need legs to fly.
No, but he needs them to do stuff.
To dance. It needs them to dance.
It's dancing already. I don't know what it's doing.
Oh, no.
Oh,
Put it in a jar. Save it.
he's twitching the shit.
Yeah.
That's
Oh, that's so cool.
Get over here. You fucking bug. Get over here. Stupid.
Oh, that looks cool.
Nah, he's not. He's gonna die.
He's fucked.
Should I just stomp on him?
No.
No. Shit.
Nah, he's gonna die.
It's the fly.
Should we just kill it?
No.
Dude, he's suffering, man.
It's a fucking pancake moth. Just let it
I'm
be.
gonna make him a pancake.
He's a pancake moth. That's all he does is flop back and forth.
Yeah, okay. No, he's like.
Like a grilled cheese.
No, he's twitching and shit. He's suffering.
He's scared. He's just scared.
Should we kill it?
No.
Oh.
It doesn't know what to do. That's a fucking...
It can't, dude.
How
It's,
did it
it's
stay
not
on the
gonna
wall
fucking.
like that? That's what I'm wondering.
That's instinct.
Instinct to stick on the wall.
Well, just like fucking... Why don't you run and throw it?
Like a kite.
Yeah, and
It
then
is
it'll
like
just
a
fly.
Nah.
It stayed on the moth. It's
No, he's like shaking, man. He's suffering.
It's cold outside.
It's not cold out.
Just stick it onto the wall, and then it'll stay that way. Just stick it to the wall.
No, like, dude, it's like.
Yeah, it's fucked. Wait,
Nah, you gotta kill it.
No, don't
Kill
fucking
it. You
do
gotta fucking do it.
No, don't do
I
it.
don't
Don't
want to
do
be
it.
part of it.
Just
It's gonna fucking suffer, man.
Alright, then let's bury it. We'll have a burial.
Oh man.
Okay, here. Put him on the...
No, don't kill it.
I'm gonna bury him.
It has no legs though.
it's flipping.
What if it just does that? What if it's just
Yeah, that's what it
a
does.
flapjack moth?
It's a circus.
Oh no, it has legs. Hold on.
It has legs.
I think it's
It's
just
a
being
It does have
weird.
legs. It has legs.
Okay, it's cool. It's just being stupid.
It's just
It's
stupid.
drunk.
Come
I
on.
think it drank some of our beer.
It has legs. I see the
Because
legs.
we spilled the beer and then all of a
The
sudden
thing
he
was
was
on the wall.
drunk.
Okay, then leave it. It'll be fine.
We should put him
Or
somewhere.
maybe
like
it's
a leaf.
tired.
It doesn't know what to do.
No, he's all fucked up on
What kind of
drugs.
fucking moth is that? Watch
It's a
its
back-
poisonous. I've never seen a fucking moth like that. I'm afraid of it.
It's yellow. I don't want
It's gonna It's gonna give you fucking rabies.
As long as it
Nah,
has
he's
legs.
all fucked
Don't
up.
grip his wings too hard.
Yeah, maybe he's just tired.
No, you're gonna fuck it up.
No, I'm not.
Put it in the beer.
Oh, it's all fucked up.
Put
now.
him in the beer.
It's all fucked up now. Like oh no, it's starting to fly. Okay, that's cool.
He's not gonna fly.
He's starting to. Hold on. See?
Oh yeah, look at him go.
Look
huh?
at him go.
Push him up. Throw him up.
Oh,
Throw him up.
we're like
Trying.
proud parents. We're teaching him how to fly.
Oh!
Oh shit! Oh! And now.
He's gonna kill you.
Yeah!
He's gonna kill you.
It doesn't want to leave now.
No.
No,
It's like
I know what
a
it
kite
is.
with no wind.
I know what it's doing. It's playing a leaf.
What?
Yeah, I did. I think
Yeah,
it's like
dude.
the
Alright, well,
I
move
read
him
about
somewhere.
this.
I read about
I
this.
did. I watched Animal
Yeah, 'cause it
Planet.
looks like a
live.
leaf.
I watched it. You said you read about it, and now
I
you're
read
saying
it on Animal Planet.
I read it on Animal Planet.
Come here. Steve.
Catch it and then throw it someplace.
Throw him in the.
What the fuck?
Throw him in the beer. He was flying good.
Yes!
He's gonna bite you now. It's a deadly
Dude,
disease.
that's why. It doesn't have a fucking head.
What?
What?
No.
Are you fucking serious? No fucking way. It doesn't have a head.
Dude.
What do you mean it doesn't have a
It
head?
doesn't have
baby.
eyes.
What?
I'm serious.
No fucking way.
Serious.
Fly away.
No, let it be, let it be. It's,
Yeah, just leave it. Leave it. Leave it. It's in the tree.
Yeah, it doesn't have eyes.
It doesn't have a head.
Or eyes, one or the other.
One or the other. That's my beer.
No, it's mine.
Where's my beer?
I
I
don't
can't
know.
believe I spotted that. The thing was.
Look, it's the beetles following it. It wants to.
Wait, no, wait. Where's my fucking beer then? Is this one mine?
No one had a bug. Or maybe from the cab.
No, that's not
Probably
it.
a bug.
Dude, you have my beer.
No, you dropped them all.
Oh yeah, I did.
Broke them. Look, it's all right there.
I did that for a trick to throw people off.
Throw them off guard.
oh, I really hope that I get my
She's
shot.
coming back.
Yeah, she'll come back.
Jennifer better be coming back.
Text him. Text you. Tell her I have a nice, crisp
We got
$5
Chris
bill.
Lincoln for you. You got a Lincoln.
A blinking for your Lincoln.
A Lincoln for you, Lincoln.
Wake up, Rob. Rob, wake up. I need a beer. Where's the beers?
Right there, on the floor, where you left it.
Not that.
In that window right there, you'll never be
You'll never be the same.
the same. It's the
There.
owner.